Searching for the ideal student home in Liverpool? Welcome to Plato House, your perfect retreat in the vibrant heart of the city. Plato House features a selection of stylish studios, meticulously designed for comfort. Each room is spacious, fully furnished, and equipped with essential amenities to ensure an enjoyable stay from day one. But that's just the beginning. All-inclusive rent covers utilities like Wi-Fi, water, electricity, and heating, creating a hassle-free living experience. Relax with friends in the cozy cinema room or unwind in the lively common room and games area. Location is everything. Conveniently situated near the Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine and the University of Liverpool, daily commutes are effortless. Just a short ride from iconic attractions like the Beatles Story and Sefton Park, experience the vibrant Liverpool lifestyle. Discover local cafes like Because Cafe, stock up at nearby grocery stores like Lidl, and enjoy easy access to public transport at Lime Street Station. Ready to embrace the best of Liverpool living? Visit amberstudent.com and secure a place at Plato House today.